Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. I'm just going to peek through these boxes of discs and snag out originals versus copies. I don't know what these are. Solid gold. Sounds like music, but I don't know. What was that? Did I do that? Yes. So I'm going to, yes, separate Funhouse, Muppets Printmaster, and, oh, looky, here's something. It's the head vibration protector. I'll put that there too. Animation station. Lovely. All kinds of things here. Geos. Yeehaw. Nothing like Geos that I despise. Took a wonderful machine that I understood and turned it into some weird thing. Here's something. Remote control. From MTV. No clue. Slot car racing. All kinds of copies of things made of Talladega. What is this? Talladega. Shazam. I think there was a stray. There we are. Envelope in there. So good. Set those aside. Open up box number 2. Infiltrator. Oh, there's a label. Oh no, sleeve. Top flight. Shazam. Solid gold. Solid gold. Still, don't know what they are. Would love to see. Public domain software. Airplane. Flight. Flight. Huh. Interesting. Looks like an original label. It does. Leaderboard. Oops. Lots. Oh, here's one. Pocket rockets. No clue. Maybe we'll put that in a nice. What is this thing? Oh. Put that in a nice tandy sleeve. Wow, that's beat, but it's original. Penetrator. Well, this is funny. It's 2 discs in a sleeve, but they're upside down. Fast tracks for the computer slot car construction kit. But they were in the disc upside down. Why would they do that? Oh, here's a load and go home expense manager. And then there's stuff in a bag here, which leads me to think, oh, it looks like labels and things. Okay, so now that I have done that, I guess what I will do is try and condense things that are copies into into this one. Lovely. Sort of. Why is that giving me grief? Oh, it's probably that thing in the back. Okay. So that's so. Oh, why did I leave this one out? I don't know. I don't know. It can go back in there. So they need to be checked over. Everything needs to be checked over to see what is what. So now I will put the originals into this box and see. Sometimes these little dividers are difficult. Okay, good. So I do need to see about looking through all those. Now there was one remarkable thing in this batch of stuff, this Commodore dataset. To me, and I could be mistaken, it doesn't look like it's ever been out of the box. It's a white dataset. I'm hesitant to remove it, but I should test it. I should. Alright. More books and things. This is something. Well, this one has seen a little damage along the edge. Oh well. This thing looks pretty nice. And really, there's no point to these. I mean, if you're brand new at this, I suppose. But anyway, I will set that aside. I will. So, lots of things to test. Lots of things to check out. Lots of things to put aside safely. And a whole lot of tidying up to do. Look, it's another data set in a box. Oh, I don't know why it is that everywhere I work ends up looking much the same. Oh. Okay, so da-da-da. Here is a 1541 tube. I must find a power supply so I can test it. Can I stick this under here? No, not really. I'll stick it back here. Is that wise? No, not really. Anyway, in the next video, I will tell a tale of a long journey to get some treasure. And I will bring things up and unbox them so I can test things out. But soon, very soon, I am going to do a major tidying in here because I must. There is no option. I must. You know what I dream of? I dream of an empty room with a table. Maybe two. I bring things in, I work on them, I take them away. We'll see about that. Alright. I need to start to bring things up to explore what it is that I drove a long way for. So thanks for coming. I will get to testing these, and who knows, maybe I'll end up testing them with some of the stuff that I just picked up. Or maybe not. We'll see. Maybe it doesn't work. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Ugh. 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 Why is my eye dry? Look, swabs. Good for cleaning keyboards. Oops. Whoops. And a Ziploc bag that won't zip. There it goes. Alright. Oh, why is my eye pestering me? Alright. I'll set these over here. Set this here. And prepare for the treasures. I shall. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see you again back here in the TV room for more unboxing excitement. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.